Fanless Mini PC. Here is the product number 5. Intel Mini PC. Powered by Intel Celeron in series processor in 2830 and in 2840, enough performance as HTPC, home entertainment, office applications. Support Windows 10, Windows 8.1, Windows 7, Linux and other OS. Compact size, keep your desk area neat. You can place it vertically or horizontally for more placement options. VESA mount it on a wall or on the back of a monitor. Here is the product number 4. Celeron Mini PC. Type, Mini PC. Memory capacity, 2 GB. Type, Mini Desktop. Processor brand, Intel. Memory types, DDR3L 1333, 1600 MHz. Graphics, Intel HD graphics. Hard drive capacity, 40 GB. Model number, X33. Graphics card type, integrated card. Use, commercial. Here is the product number 3. VOYO VMac Mini PC. Brand name, VOYO. Memory capacity, 4 GB. Model number, VMac. Graphics card type, integrated card. CPU, Apollo Lake N3450. RAM, 4 GB. DDR3L Max expand 8 GB. Type, Mini PC. Use, commercial. Processor brand, Intel. Processor model, Apollo Lake N3450. Type, Mini Desktop. Here is the product number 2. BBEN Mini PC. Brand name, BBEN. Model, MN11. CPU, Intel Cherry Trail X5 Quad-Core Z8350. Frequency, 1.44 to 1.92 GHz. Support OS, Windows 10. GPU, Intel Gen 8 HD graphics. RAM, 2G, 4G options. ROM, 32G, 64G options. Here is the product number 1. Fanless Mini PC. Brand name, Meal. Use, multimedia. Hard drive capacity, 40 GB. Processor brand, Intel. Audio output, 3.5mm combo audio jack. OS, Windows 10 Home, 64 bits. Type, Mini PC. Memory capacity, 4 GB. Graphics card type, integrated card. Type, Mini Desktop. Check the description below for the link and more items. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Like, comment and share.